Hey everyone, welcome back once again to Study Studio. This tutorial is about my Macrame water bottle holder. This thing is really comfy and can be made really quickly. This is a lifesaver for a long day and keeps you hydrated throughout. So let's get through the process. Also don't forget to subscribe and like the video. We need total of 26 cords. These are a 4 mm size macrame yarn. The measurements are here. 2 pieces of 200 centimeters for the strap, 12 pieces of 150 centimeters and next 8 to 10 of 70 centimeters. Now take the first 2 cords of 200 centimeters and place them in a loop in opposite directions like this. Then take the 12 cords and attach them in the overlap portion. Attach them with a large head knot, 6 cords each side. Then make 1 row of square knots both the sides. Then for the next row, leave 2 cords from each side on an equal distance. Make 1 more row of square knot. Do the same on the other side as well. Now assemble them all together and fill up the sides as well. On the same distance, keep repeating the square knots, and after 7 to 8 rows, it's time to join our 70 centimeter cords. We will join them in between the square knots like this. After joining the cords, we have to make 2-3 more rows of square knots. And after that, we have to seal the bottom. To do that, take these 2 cords from the sides and with the other cords, make square knots on that cord. And do the process for like 6 to 7 times and use the same method on the other side as well. Then do the same thing on the middle 2 sides. This process might look really messy right now, but as you go on following the steps, the process gonna be really easy. Basically have to make 4 lines of square knots. At last, choose this 8 cords from the middle, which we get from each side, and cut all the other cords except them. Now this 8 cords will use to close the entire base of the holder like this. So overlap them with each other so that they will make a knot in themselves, and tighten them so that they won't loosen up afterwards. Then tie a knot on each cord to prevent them from loosen up, and then trim the cords and cut the extra portion. Turn the whole thing inside out. Now for the straps, just tie them on each other with a knot. And now you can slide it like this, which makes it an adjustable strap. And cut the whatever portion is hanging. Now hang the holder across, and you can place any size of water bottle, juice bottle, or anything. And with the adjustable strap, it can be really easy to carry it around. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.